first concepts that we talked about really apply to any sort of training, not just cello. Now I want to talk about the unique aspects of cello and what we need to watch out for, what we need to train for, and sort of the purpose slash end goal of what we're trying to achieve with the program we're doing. So I think the easiest way to do this is going to be to go body part by body part, the significant body parts in cello, and then through talking through these body parts, we'll also kind of end up in some different topics that we'll discuss briefly before moving on to the next one. So let's start with discussing the neck. We have to remember about cellos or instruments in general. They are built to make beautiful sounds. They are not built for our comfort. So the cello is just sort of awkward for people to hold, some more than others. Some people it's more comfortable and natural. Some people really have to get all sorts of gear and whatnot to make it work. But specifically on the neck, it's universal that people have some weird postures, right? So if we look at me right here, one thing for me is that my chest goes out a lot, right? So I either have to have the cello up super high so it can be here, but that's not very comfortable for me. So I got to be here, and you can see that I have a problem with those pegs. Those pegs are right behind my head, and I have to have this forward head position to play. And that brings us to something that I hear about a lot from you guys, which is forward head posture, right? What does that mean? It just means that over time, our head comes forward and we have this sort of angled neck that's kind of an exaggerated curve, right? And so, one question I get asked a lot is, how do we fix that? How do we fix our posture? The answer is, you don't. Settle down. I will explain why. I'm going to give you a full explanation. Just bear with me.